Now, pulse distilleries of the anterior pituitary, it produces the hormones such as the growth hormone prolactin, PRL, thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH, luteinizing hormone LH, follicle stimulating hormone FSH. So let us now write over here. It produces GH, PRL, TSH, this is the thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, that is called the LH, and follicle stimulating hormone, it is called FSH. Now, oversecretion of this growth hormone, let us go to the other page. Okay, let us write over here. So, pars intermedia, this produces only one hormone, that is pars intermedia, that is melanocyte MSH. It produces MSH. Okay. Now, it is called melanocyte stimulating hormone. Okay. And neurohypophysis, it is also known as pars nervosa. It stores and releases two hormones. It stores plus release two hormones, namely oxytocin and vasopressin. Okay. Now let us study the details of these hormones. Number one is the growth hormone. It is also known as somatotropin or somatotropic hormone. It is also known as somatotropin or somatotropic hormone. Now this soma means and trophy This is soma, means body, and trophy means nourishment. Now, what is its functions? It regulates the growth of the body. It regulates the growth of the body, growth of the body by protein metabolism. Next function is intestinal absorption of calcium. Calcium ion absorption in the intestine and conservation of glucose. There are other functions also. CONACRVAT, conservation of glucose. So within the scope at present is this. Now it helps in synthesis and depositions of protein. Helps in synthesis and deposition of proteins. Number 5 is the growth of long bones. It obviously helps in synthesis and deposition of protein, growth of long bones and skeleton. Now many disorders takes place if there is over secretion of this hormone and if there is under secretion of this hormone. Now what are the diseases that takes place due to its over secretion or under secretion? This is over secretion and this is under secretion. In under secretion, it develops in low growth. Resulting in pituitary dwarfism. Pituitary dwarfism. Before puberty, if it occurs before puberty, if it occurs, then it is called pituitary dwarfism. Pituitary dwarfism. If after puberty takes place, if it takes place after puberty, then it is called acromicria. It is person suffering a small hands, feet, and face. Small hands, feet, and face. Now, oversecretion of growth hormone oversecretion before puberty is called gigantism. Now you know the person suffering from gigantism has extraordinary growth in height caused by abnormal elongations of long bones in childhood. The limbs are long and the hands are also large and all these things. Now, now if it occurs after puberty, if it occurs after puberty, then it is called acromegaly. Acromegaly is an enlarged hand and feet. Okay, enlarged hands, feet, jaws, nose, ears. Now sometimes humps are noticed in persons due to bending of vertebral column, and it is called kyphosis. Humps developed hump due to bending of vertebral column. Okay. Now next is prolactin, or the PRL, and it was previously it has got a name. It used to called lutetropic hormones. Uh, Previously called lutetropic hormone. Okay, got my point. Now, what is its functions? Its function is It regulates the growth of the regulates the growth of memory glands and milk production.